Hello everyone, this is lesson number 68 and let's start. Quickly repeat words. 热闹 lively bustling, 森林 forest, 云 cloud, 活泼 lively vivid, 老虎 tiger, 海洋 seas and oceans, 寂寞 lonely, 凉快 cool, 广播 broadcast, 照 to photo to reflect, 道 yet actually one of the meaning, 香山 hill park, Fryan Hill Park, 长城 the Great Wall, 毛 hair wool, 抱 to hug, to hold, in carry or in arm, gun to do work, or just to work, 严格 strict, 难受 to feel unwell, 趟 a major word for round trips, 放暑假 to go on summer vacation, 入口 entrance, 排队 to queue up, 亚洲 Asia. And first one for today, 儿童节 Children's Day, because 儿童 is a children, 节 it's like holiday or Children's Day. On Children's Day, the school will hold events. 儿童节哪天 at the day of Children's Day, Children event, 学校会 school will 举办活动举办 will hold or conduct 活动 some event. So on the Children's Day, the school will hold events. 儿童节那天学校会举办活动。Next one, children receive many gifts on Children's Day. 孩子们在儿童节收到很多礼物。孩子们 children 在儿童节 at the Children's Day 收到 to receive 收到很多礼物 a lot of gifts 礼物。So children receive many gifts on Children's Day. 孩子们在儿童节收到很多礼物。I think it's 1st of June. Next one, 社会 society. Here's I think 会 like gathering of people. We should contribute to society. 我们要为社会做贡献。Here is a bit advanced word, 贡献. Some investment, some contribution, dedication, devote, 贡献. So we should contribute to society. 我们要为社会 for society 为社会做贡献 to do contribution 你可以说做贡献 contribute. Next one, the development of society requires everyone's effort. 社会的发展需要大家的努力。社会的发展 so 发展 development, so development of society 需要 requires 大家的努力 so hard work from everyone 大家的努力 so development of society requires everyone's effort 社会的发展需要大家的努力 Next one, 竞争 to compete, competition 竞争 so could be a verb, could be noun. They compete fiercely in the competition. 他们在比赛中激烈竞争。他们在比赛中 so they in the competition 激烈竞争。激烈 is very fierce competition. So they competed fiercely in the competition. 激烈竞争 so 他们在比赛中激烈竞争。激烈 is a bit advanced word, but 竞争 to compete. Compete very fiercely, you can say. 激烈竞争 or could be also could be the between them. Market competition is becoming more intense. Here is as a noun, competition. 市场竞争市场 is a market. 竞争 competition 越来越激烈 again this word 激烈 very fierce, intense, competitive. So 越来 the more it goes, the more it become intense. So marketing competition is becoming more intense. 市场竞争越来越激烈。Next one, 剩 to be left over, to remain, remaining, 剩。There are a lot of food left over, don't waste it. 饭菜还剩很多，别浪费。饭菜 so here's 饭菜 also like food, cuisine meal. 饭菜还 still left, still remain, 还剩很多 still a lot, left a lot, left over. 别 here's don't, 浪费 waste, 别浪费。There are a lot of food left over, don't waste it. 饭菜还剩很多，别浪费。Only the last shirt remains. 只剩最后一件衬衫了。只剩 only 只剩 left only left 最后 the last 一件衬衫 last件 shirt measure word for 衬衫 shirt and left for 剩了 like only remains. So only the last shirt remains. 只剩最后一件衬衫了。So 只剩 only left, only remaining. 只剩 only it just also left. All this left. Next one, 暖和 warm. The weather is warm today. No need to wear a jacket. 今天天气很暖和. So today the weather 很暖和 very warm. 不用穿外套 don't need to wear a jacket. 不用穿 to wear 外套 it's a jacket or some coat, suit, outfit, but mostly coat or jacket. So the weather is warm today. No need to wear a jacket. 今天天气很暖和，不用穿外套。The room is warm and comfortable. 房间里很暖和，很舒服。房间里 so inside of a room 很暖和 very warm. 很舒服 very comfortable. The room is warm and comfortable. 房间里很暖和，很舒服。Next one, 美人鱼 mermaid. So it's mermaid. It's a mythical creature with a woman's body and fish tail. 美人鱼 because 美 pretty 人 people 鱼 fish. So children love hearing stories about mermaids. 孩子们喜欢听美人鱼的故事。So 孩子们喜欢 so children's like 听 to listen. 故事 it's a story, but 故事 about what? About 美人鱼的故事。Stories about mermaids. 孩子们喜欢听美人鱼的故事。There are mermaids performance at the aquarium. 海洋馆里有一个美人鱼表演。海洋馆 it's aquarium because 海洋 it's a seas, 馆 it's some place, so some place for seas. 海洋馆里 so inside of aquarium there is 有一个美人鱼 there is a mermaid performance 表演 performance. 海洋馆里有一个美人鱼表演。Next one, 公里 kilometer because li is a Chinese measure system about half a kilo. 公里 it's a public kilometer, so international you can say. 公里 The school is 5 kilometers from my house. 学校离我家 so school 离 is like from my home 离我家有5公里 has a 5 kilometers 有5公里 there is a 5 kilometers. So the school is 5 kilometers from my house. 学校离我家有5公里。公里，公里。We walked 10 kilometers. 我们走了10公里的路。So 我们走了 we walked 走了10公里 10 kilometers 路。In English no translation, but 路 it's like a road or a way in 10 kilometers. 我们走了10公里的路。Next one, 仍然 still something something. So also it's raining, he still go running. 虽然下雨 so also or not looking at something, nevertheless, or also so also I think also is a good one. 虽然下雨 also it's raining. 他仍然 he still 去跑步 goes to running 去跑步 so also it's raining he still goes running 虽然下雨他仍然去跑步she still persists in her dreams 她仍然坚持自己的梦想 so 她仍然 still 坚持 it's to persist, to maintain, to insist, adhere. 坚持自己的梦想 dreams, her own dreams. 自己的梦想 So she still persists in her dreams. 她仍然坚持自己的梦想 Next one, 排列 to arrange, to rank. 排列 Remember 排队 it's queue, but here is to arrange something. Please arrange this book in alphabetical order. 请把这些书 so please 把 you can say take these books 这些书 and according with 字母顺序 so 顺序 is order 字母 alphabetical 字母顺序 with alphabetical order 排列arrange. So please arrange these books in alphabetical order. It's a bit few new words, 顺序字母 but okay, for now just 排列 arrange. 请把这些书按字母顺序排列 So with alphabetical order 按字母顺序 in alphabetical order. So I think you can this one construction. Next one, he ranked first in the competition. 他在比赛中排列第一 So he's in competition. 他在比赛中 inside of this competition 排列 ranked 第一 the first one 第一 number one ranked first top rank 排列不是排列排名 but also could be 排列 also could be 排名 also could be 排名 but with a second tone, right? Not the second tone. But still okay. 他在比赛中排名第一，排列第一 So I think it's all could be the same. Could be the same, just the same meaning. Next one, 梦 dream. The last night I had a strange dream. 昨晚我做了一个奇怪的梦。So last night I have 昨晚我做了一个奇怪的梦 very strange dream. 昨晚我做了一个奇怪的梦 strange dream. Her dream is to become a scientist. 她的梦是成为 So his dream is to become 成为一名科学家 a scientist. So her dream is to become a scientist. 她的梦是成为一名科学家 And last one, the and bottom part. 这杯水喝到底里。这杯水 is glass of water. 喝到 drink up to 底了 up to bottom. So this glass of water has been drunk to the bottom. 这杯水喝到底里。底 so D is the bottom end part. And last one, at the end of the year, we need to summarize our work. 年底, so year end, so 年底, we have to 总结工作. 总结 is to summarize 工作, our work. So at the end of this year, we need to summarize our work. 年底我们要总结工作. Let's repeat what we learned today. 儿童节 Children's Day. 社会 Society. 竞争 to compete to competition. 剩 to be remain to left over. 暖和 warm. 美人鱼 mermaid. 公里 kilometer. 仍然 still. 排列 to arrange to rank. 梦 dream. And D and bottom part base. Today, see you in 2 days because I need to go. And we 2 idioms on the next lesson. See you.